Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to center text in shape Photoshop CS6. Let's begin. Click the shape, right click, use around it. Again create new layer, select right click, horizontal type tool and select the text color white. Type anything. Example I type center, okay. Increase the size, press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Center, double click, change the color. Okay, is white color. Hold Ctrl, select the shape, align, center. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.